Hippie.
Radiator Springs. Now we need to be fast.
You need to look fast. Good job. For home.
Looking good. And all right. Good luck, man.
Come on in, rookie.
Shiny feet don't win a race. I'll get out there. Looks like Radiator Springs has it in check. Congratulations.
You were amazing! You beat McQueen! I wasn't racing. Well, you can't win if you don't ride. Right, Peter. And you sure was. Hey, got free races. Listen, I'm talking about track ticket.
Well, listen. Vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings. And as long as you're in my town, have a great time.
Thank you all for watching! If you liked this video, would you mind doing me a couple of favors? Click the like button, leave a comment below the video, click that subscribe button, and click the bell icon. You are all so wonderful and have a magical rest of your day. Bye.